Hey everyone, so today we're in a Mercedes Sprinter and we are programming an Xtron Android unit. So I'll flip the camera around and I'll show you what we're doing. So this is the Sprinter and we just removed the dash trim to get access to the Xtron unit. I'll put up a couple of pictures now so you can see the wiring behind it. Just needed access to that USB, so we're just downloading the offline maps onto that USB. So I'll take you through the process of downloading these offline maps onto an Xtron unit when this gets completed. So you're familiar with how to do it on your own system. If you've got something similar fitted to your camper van, a commercial vehicle or delivery van or similar. Okay, so let's begin. I'll walk you through the steps. So this is your main home setting. If you don't see this, just press the home button. It'll come back to here. Now what we want to do is just swipe left, go to settings, come up to the top here, Wi-Fi, and you either want to connect up to a Wi-Fi source or you want to connect up to your personal hotspot by clicking here and connecting up to the Wi-Fi source. Pick a Wi-Fi source or pick a hotspot. And once you're done that, then we'll move on to the next step. So once you're connected up to your Wi-Fi, what we want to do is come back to home, press that, go to navigation, hit the three lines here in the top corner. So as long as you're connected up to Wi-Fi or your personal hotspot, your maps will work fine. This procedure will just show you how to download your offline maps onto your Xtron unit. So you press the three lines here, then you want to go sign in, add account. This takes some time, so we'll come back when so and now we just put in your username and password. I'll do that and I'll skip to the loading part. Okay, so once you've inputted your password and your username, hit next. That brings you up to your terms and conditions. You hit agree. Google Drive, you can turn that on or off. I'll leave that on for now. So that brings that up there. So once you're signed in, you hit the three lines here. And now you hit that top arrow there. Now you can scroll down, come down to offline maps. And now you just say select your own map. This is the point where you can just do this. And then you just hit download here. And that will download your maps. So once that's completed, you can go ahead and download the next area of your maps and vice versa. You can even automatically set it. Normally in the settings, it's automatically set to download the maps offline. If not, you can go to the settings and do that. So you just go back here. We'll leave that down to download. Hit the three lines here. Scroll down. Go back to offline maps, sorry. Hit the settings. And here where it says automatically download offline maps, you can have that checked there. So it'll automatically download the maps when you're traveling. So that's what you want to do. You want to go back and select your regions. So select maps. So say we want to select the whole of Central North Island. So that's what we do. Similarly for Wellington, you can go there, hit the download, hit the download. So you just have to keep doing that and hit the download, and it will automatically store. And you have to remember to update them. Not sure when the actual time frame is, but it'll Google will notify you when the maps are going to expire and you have to update the maps. So at that point, you either want to connect up to a hotspot or you want to go into a Wi-Fi zone and connect that up. So you can go ahead and update the maps. So hit the close button. See, and now it's downloaded, map 23, 61 MB, and it says expires 2nd July. unless updated. So if you need to update it, just go there and hit the update button, or we can hit the view button and we can see exactly what we have downloaded for offline. So I hope this video was of some help to you. If it was, please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more content related to motorhomes, campers, and a few other car videos that are upcoming, and also the motorhome reviews that will be coming shortly. Thanks for watching, everyone. See ya.